Hey guys, it's here, it's here, it's here. Let's open it. Oh, what do we have here? So, whoa, no way. Super cool. Let's unpack them. Get rid of this and get rid of this. Okay, unpacked. So let's go into details. I unpacked those beautiful boards, and first of all I want to say thank you to SmoothStars who sent us those boards. Yes, as you know, we started this YouTube channel 1.5 years ago, and you saw the content I created, everything about surfing, and of course a big part is how to train on a surf skate or surf trainer. What I really like about SmoothStar is that it is the closest feeling you can have, which comes the closest to surfing. And the coolest thing about the surf skate in general is that you can train maneuvers thousands and thousands of times. I really like that the SmoothStar is built to improve your surfing, which is totally aligned with our company, the Surf Companions, because we provide you with all the surf knowledge you need in illustrations. Back to the boards. They sent us like 2 Philip Toledo ones. The first one is here, the 34-inch deck Pro Philip Toledo 77 #77 with the beautiful black bottom. I really like it, looks super stylish. And the second one, is a bit more fancy, more color. It's also a Philip Toledo one. It's called the Holy Toledo. It's a slight different because it's 33-inch deck. And that brings me to my first really important point about surf skate in general. Maybe you look for a surf skate or you don't know the differences. You just look at fancy, stylish colors here and here. Out of a coach point of view, it's really important if you want to improve your surfing. You want to have the same stance on your training equipment as you have in your surfing. What is important with the decks, and that's what I love about those different decks, is they have different sizes. This is, for example, the 33-inch, and the Philip Toledo is the 34-inch. So what I really like about the brand itself, they really focus on that you get the right board. The same actually in surfing. I mean, not everyone should surf the same volume and measurement. So before you choose a surf skate, please check the board size, because it's relation of your height and your weight. Just a small fun fact, this one is, by the way, the most sold surf skate in the entire world. And I have one. Last thing I want to teach you, because I didn't understood it even when I started like all those years ago with surf skating, was it's important to have the right deck size. This is important for your length of the body, to have the right stance, the same stance in surfing. But the second part is the wheels. Yes, the wheels are also a bit different, because you can compare actually the wheels with your fins in surfing. Why? It's depending on your weight. If you're tall and a bit more heavy, like me, I'm 90 kilos, I have to surf L fins, so big L fins. If you're a bit more tiny person and a bit more lighter, you can also surf with smaller fins. This is the same on a surf skate. For example, my Manta Ray, on the other hand, you can see it, the wheels are a bit bigger and wider. So they are more wide to have more hold. You also want to have more hold because you are more heavy and you can apply more pressure. You don't want to have a surf skate, you put a bit of pressure on and then you slide away. You don't want to have that. What I really liked about the SmoothStar is that they focus also on the wheels and the size and the width of the wheels. So if you want to check out what's the best surf trainer, surf skate is for you, hop on the website, it's in the link below, and you will definitely find the right size for you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you not already do. And I hope to see you next time. Daniel from the Surf Companions.